Avoid overweight luggage fees. Tired of surprise fees at the airport? This simple tool can save you money and stress on your next trip. Introducing the Inspira Luggage Scale. This portable digital scale helps you weigh your bags before you get to the airport. It's lightweight and easy to use. Simply hook it onto your luggage and lift. The scale accurately displays the weight, preventing unexpected overweight fees. This scale can weigh up to 110 pounds or 50 kilograms. It also features a tare function for accurate measurements. Its compact design makes it perfect for travel. You can easily pack it in your suitcase or carry-on bag. Don't just take our word for it. Travelers rave about its accuracy and ease of use. Many say it's a lifesaver for avoiding unexpected airline fees after you arrive at the airport. Ready to travel smarter and save money? Click the link below to get your Inspira Luggage Scale and say goodbye to overweight baggage fees on your next adventure. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel to stay updated with more exciting products.